Welcome to our channel. If you want to reset your Samsung Smart Remote, follow these step-by-step instructions to restore functionality. Step 1. Remove the batteries from the back of your Samsung Smart Remote by sliding off the battery cover. Step 2. Press and hold the return button and the play-pause button simultaneously on the remote for at least 3 seconds. Step 3. While still holding the buttons, reinsert the batteries into the remote control compartment. Step 4. Continue holding both buttons until you see the pairing message appear on your TV screen. Step 5. Release the buttons once the pairing indicator shows up, which signals the remote is resetting. Step 6. Wait for the remote to automatically pair with your Samsung TV, which usually takes about 10 to 20 seconds. Step 7. Once paired, test the remote by navigating through the TV menu and adjusting the volume. Step 8. If the reset doesn't work, try unplugging your TV for 30 seconds, plugging it back in, and repeating the reset process. You can also check for firmware updates for your remote through the TV settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.